let's talk about styling blogs. So the first thing you need to realize is that you can have multiple blogs on one site, and all those blogs can have different layout stylings. So I'm currently looking at my blog, and if I click on it, it's going to show me all the blog post items. And let me go ahead and edit the page itself. So the blog page works just as any other page on the website. We can add content above and below the main posts area. Like something, I don't know, gallery maybe. And you can have as many sections as you want, and this is a handy way to use the blog as your homepage. You can have several sections before and several sections after the main posts grid. To change the way this looks, you go to this icon sign, this pen icon, and you can change the layout from here. Change it to side-by-side blog, masonry, basic grid, alternating side-by-side, and so on and so forth. And each of these options is going to give you different styling settings. You can change the width, the vertical spacing between the posts, image placement, aspect ratio, and things like that. Text. You can change what to show and what to hide, as well as the style of iconography. And because this is treated as a general section, we have also color options. But keep in mind that these color options apply to the whole blog, including the blog posts. So I'm suggesting to keep it at white or at white bold. Let's click Save and go ahead and look at one of the blog posts. Click Edit. Here you cannot add content above and below the main area, but you can modify the way it looks by clicking the pen icon. So you can change the content width to medium, narrow, wide, or custom. Let's select the custom option and set it to 70%. You can change the text alignment, and it only applies to the blog post title. You can display author name, author profile, and you can change the head spacing. The maximum head spacing is 100 pixels. And just as any other section, this has a color, and it inherits the color from the main homepage of the blog. In order to edit the fonts inside of a blog post and inside of a blog grid, like the main blog homepage, I need to go to Design, Fonts, click the gear icon, go to Advanced, and here I can edit the way this grid looks like. It's showing me the blog side by side, title, excerpt, and meta options. And if I go inside of one of those posts, I'm going back. I go inside of one of those posts and I go click Fonts again, click the gear icon, Advanced. So now it shows me options for the blog post. I can add a title, I can make it smaller, I can change meta, author profile, and pagination size. So this is too big. I think it needs to be custom, and I'm going to put it as 1 and 1.2 rem. Okay, that looks good to me. And save it. So this is how you edit the layout and colors and fonts of the blog.